Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are learning Photoshop tools. So under Photoshop tools there is option of modify. So inside that you will learn perspective crop tool. So what does it do? Transform the perspective of a picture while cropping. You have used already crop tool, but this time I'm going to show you that how perspective tool works. Now let's see this photo. Now suppose you want to cut it out only this section, this one, the outer part. Okay, so if you use this crop tool, then I need only the cover of this book, the upper section. So if you adjust this one, then it is not possible to crop like that. It is displaying you the background as well as the whole image. So here the perspective tool is really very helpful. So select this and then let me make it bigger. Control plus and then click this one and then just like pen tool use this. So as you can see it is coming perspective, and now here. So apart from that you can also adjust. As you can see there are different points here. So I'll adjust like this. Similarly I'll adjust like this. Now it's fine. Here. Now press enter or like this. Press enter or here you can see this tick tool, this one, commit. So I'm just pressing this and you can see your image is tracked. So this is the magic of perspective tool. Let me show you with one more example. This one also. Suppose I need the outer section, right? So just select this one and like this. Press enter and you can see here is the perspective, right?
Okay, so the cropping was not proper. Let's try again. You have to learn how to adjust this slowly, then you'll understand it better. So maybe like this. Now try this. Yeah, it's better than before. And now from the selection tool you can make it something like that. Okay, so as you can see it was diagonally and it was, you know, lying. The book is lying, but if you want to show it as straight, then in that case it is very useful, this tool. Let me show you one more example. Here is a TV image. Okay, now this one is showing diagonal. You want to display this image as straight front side. So let's click this like that, and this here too. Let's adjust like this. You need to try 2-3 times so that it will give you the perfect proportion. But the important thing that it really is very useful when you want to crop and display a straight image. Here you can see it is displaying a straight. Now just you need to do adjustment, double click, and then so double click on this and then okay, now Control T and then you can adjust the image like this. And also the upper section is larger than the below section, so while doing the perspective, this one, you can try to adjust. This time let's adjust the different perspective. Maybe, sorry, you can adjust this point also, and you can try a different perspective. This time press enter. It's not as good as before. So in short, this tool is for making the perspective image, right? So after trying with different angle, you can see that now this time it is better. Okay, so this way you can use this perspective tool. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.